Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add volume to your charts in TradingView. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the TradingView app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure to log into your account. Now let's head over to our chart section. Here you can see the chart icon at the bottom left corner. Tap on it. In the chart section, here you cannot see any volume indicator. Now let's add the volume indicator in this chart. We need to go to the indicator section. Tap on this plus icon over here. Now select indicators. Now tap on this search bar and type in volume. Now choose this fourth option. Now volume has been added to your chart. You can go to charts. Now you can see the volume indicator at the top. So that's it. That's how you can add volume to your TradingView chart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.